In this short video, I will show you how to disable security delay in progress in iPhone. To disable security delay in progress, go to your iPhone settings app and here scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode, and here verify your current passcode. And once you are in Face ID and passcode settings page, scroll down and here you'll find this option, stolen device protections. As you can see, currently this is turned on. So whenever it's turned on, you have to wait until security delay progress is finished. So all you have to need to turn off this option, just open these settings and just disable stolen device protection. And now you have to wait another 1 hour. So tap on done. Once the security delay in progress turn off, then just disable this stolen device protection, and after that your security delay in progress feature will be permanently disabled on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.